Stop studying English the hard way. Today, I'm giving you a 7-minute daily speaking routine that can rewire your English, unlock fluency, and help you think in English automatically, even if you've failed before. Most people memorize, but fluent speakers repeat small patterns. So in this lesson, you'll practice 100 real-life sentences that native speakers use every single day. Are you ready? Let's build your English, sentence by sentence. I'll say the sentence. You repeat after me. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to speak. Part 1, Morning Routine. I just woke up. I need a few minutes to get out of bed. Let me check the time. I didn't sleep very well. I slept great last night. I need some water. I'm going to brush my teeth. I'm getting ready for the day. What's my plan today? I have a lot to do. I'm feeling a little tired. I'm feeling excited today. I need some fresh air. I'm making breakfast. Let's start the day. Part 2, Daily Life Sentences. I'm heading out. I'm stuck in traffic. I'm running late. I'm on my way. I'm almost there. I need a short break. I'm feeling a bit stressed. I need some coffee. I'm working on something important. I'll finish it soon. I need to focus right now. I'm learning something new. I don't understand this part. Can you explain it again? Oh, now I get it. That makes sense. I'll try again. I think I got it this time. I need more practice. I'm improving little by little. I won't give up. I'm proud of myself. I'm getting better every day. Let me write this down. I'll check it later. I'm learning to speak confidently. I'm not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. I can say this more clearly. Let me try that again. I can explain it. I understand what you mean. That's interesting. Could you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Let me think for a moment. I'm trying my best. I'm speaking more naturally now. I'm speaking without translating. English is getting easier for me. I feel more confident today. I can join this conversation. I'm ready to practice more. I'm improving my pronunciation. I can speak clearly. How's your day going? What are you working on? That sounds great. Really? Tell me more. I didn't know that. That's cool. I agree with you. I'm not sure about that. I see your point. That's a good idea. What do you think? Let me share my opinion. I have a question. That reminds me of something. I've heard about that. That happens to me too. I understand completely. Thanks for explaining. I appreciate it. See you soon. I'm done for today. I'm feeling tired. I need to relax. I'm watching something. I'm finishing my work. Let me plan for tomorrow. Today was a long day. Today was a good day. I learned something new. I practiced my English. I'm proud of my progress. I'll do better tomorrow. I'm grateful for today. I'm getting ready for bed. I'm turning off my phone. I'm feeling sleepy. I need some rest. I'll wake up early. Good night to me. I'm ready for tomorrow. If you repeat these 100 sentences every day for 7 minutes, your brain will start thinking in English automatically. Don't memorize. Repeat, shadow, speak, and you will feel the change faster than you think.